Hi guys, I'm going to record this information so that you have an idea of what you're supposed to be doing because I won't be here Wednesday or Thursday. So tomorrow for 3W and 2W, you need to follow the instructions on the cycle planner. Open the cycle planner, see that it says you're supposed to start unit conversion lesson. You click on that and it will give you instructions. You also have in your notebook a page that you're going to fill out. The substitute is going to give you two charts, the metric conversion charts, and you're going to put them right here behind the notes that you took last class. Okay, so you have these notes. You're going to put these right here. And then, if you look at the notebook pages, you're also going to see that you have notes to take. And you are going to have specific slides that you actually look at to take notes. The rest you're just going to read. Make sure you look at and you see what you need to be answering. You don't have to write every single thing down, but there's an equation, you answer it here, okay? Here and here. When you finish with those slides, you'll go on to lesson 2 in unit conversions, and you will see that it says that there's 2 worksheets. The substitute has those 2 worksheets, okay? She'll give them to you, you'll finish both of them, you'll grade them yourself using the unit conversion slideshow. It actually has the answers. But remember, make sure you do the work, because if you just use the answers, you won't be ready for our quiz. If you finish both those worksheets, keep them. After you check them, you'll do Khan Academy and some online practice. Then you will get a study guide. W blocks, you will not get through all of this. You'll probably get through the notes and maybe the 2 worksheets. And then I'll see you next Wednesday, okay? M blocks, you are going to be getting through that. You're definitely going to get through those 2 worksheets, maybe even start the study guide, okay? And we'll talk about it when I see you on Wednesday. You may or may not have a quiz. It just depends on how much we get through. If you have a question, email me. Otherwise, follow the instructions on your cycle planner with unit conversions and what you should be doing. You don't need to make copies of either of those slideshows. You're just going to do what it says on there and then turn in the physical assignments when I get back. But keep them in your notebook, okay? If you have any questions, just email me.